Good afternoon, class. So today is 30th of May and we will have to cover the current affairs of today. So the first one is Ripple from Yas surging tide devastation of Sundarbans. So I hope you remember in Sundarbans, if we talk about, they have suffered major damage last year, and this year they have also suffered a type of a damage that they were not prepared for. If we talk about the government lacks the management, that is the one thing that they have said, and the people are not always prepared. When we talk about Sundarban, it is basically a home to 5 million people, and most of the times whenever there is a cyclone, there is a breach and overflowing of the embankments. The water is inundated into the colonies and the homes of the people, and the people are still forced to basically live in shelter camps where they are getting minimum amount of the food and the facilities that are provided by the government, and that have created a problem on the government also and also to the common people. Now, Mamata Banerjee have said that every time there is a problem with respect to the embankment, we have to basically provide a certain permanent solution which will not restrict ourselves the issue of spending again and again to build the temporary structure after every landfall of the cyclone. So that has been the case here. The next news is related to Sampurna Kranti Divas will be observed on 5 June 1974. I hope you remember Sampurna Kranti was called by Mr. JP. Against the hegemonic attitude of the government at that particular time was Indira Gandhi, which was not going to relent its position regarding the things or the issues that she was managing. उसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, ज़्यादा important नहीं है. US will soon decide on vaccine issue, that is said by Jaishankar that the meetings are undergoing. US have already flagged his support with regard to the things that they want to take into good account for the welfare of the India as a whole and welfare of the community of the world. Other than that, there have been vaccine manufacture, procurement, availability and usage. That is one of the major issue. And Quad, Afghanistan, trade, IPR, free trade agreement and climate change are the other issues. Recall of the chief secretary is unprecedented. Although the central government have all the power over the IS officers and asking their deputation under the rules that are being mentioned, but still it is highly unprecedented because whenever there is a deputation, it is said from the officers itself give deputation for the center so that they can work in the center platform for the central government. So when Nehru wanted globe-trotter diplomats in print, so this is with regard to the IFS officer and who have been regarded and have been appointed in different parts around the world as the diplomats of India. So that has been one of the problem. Sorry, not the problem, but the data of all the individuals that are mentioned over there. In that, the Minister of External Affairs at that particular time, actually the criticism of this particular article is that in the earlier era, when India was growing, there were various ambassadors who have been roped in from different sections of the field. Some people who were basically asked to only promote Hindi and other factors. So different diplomats came together and they together created a type of a harmony with regard to the pursuing the development or the pursuing the international relations of the Indian state in the world. But now the most of the people are the persons who have basically come from the written examination and have been living at the larger part or representing India in the different areas. So that has been the case. The next one is the 10 lakh corpus fund for every child orphaned by COVID. So new scheme basically provide extension of PM cares for the children. If there are both parents or single parent or legal guardian, adoptive parent that are present, there have been a stipend of 10 lakh rupees after 18 years that will be provided. There will be personal needs and education that will be taken care of. They will assist the children and admission to the Kendriya Vidyalayas and other things will be provided by the center government with expenses on uniform, textbook and notebooks. And the children who are between the age of 11 to 18 years, they can seek admission in Sainik and Navodaya school, and a 5 lakh health insurance under PM Jan Arogya Yojana or Ayushman Bharat Yojana will also be provided to them. तो उसको ध्यान रखिएगा. Next one is Surya Kiran. So it is also an exercise between India and Nepal, and it is also Indian Air Force exercise. तो इसको इतना ही याद रखिएगा, डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. The next one is Philippine protest against China's illegal South China Sea presence. So they have raised their objection with respect to the hegemonic attitude and the intimidation that China is currently doing, and the increasing number of islands that they are building in the South China Sea, which Philippines has protested. And the escalation is going to increase now because I hope you remember China is currently following the policy of assertive wolf in the world politics. So that has been the problem and that has been the issue. The next one is IIT Mandi researcher reveal key SARS-CoV-2 protein structures, and they have, if you dwell protein structure or understanding of the protein structure, there is a chance that you will understand about the spread and the severity, and also there could be a better understanding of the therapeutics with regard to the you can say treatment that is needed to be or made should be made available to the person who is suffering from it. The next one is declining forest bird species in Western Himalaya. So there was a research that was done in Uttarakhand, and it was said that under extremely cold winters and the pleasant summers, there was a oak tree that was generally surviving. Oak tree was basically on the decline, and that have led to the drastic loss of the bird species in the near neighborhood. So that has been the problem here. Then there is our inheritance from the Neanderthals. So इसको छोड़ दीजिए, although just one time it has been asked, Denisova Neanderthals, but I don't think why it is marked important. इसको छोड़ दीजिए, important नहीं है. Actually they were not only Homo sapiens, there was another breed, Homo minions. ठीक है, so that has been the other part. So center WhatsApp tussle over new IT rules. I hope you remember. Zero survey learning, already we have talked about that there is 21% of the population. इनको पढ़ लीजिएगा दोनों को, और ये origin of SARS-CoV वायरस भी पढ़ लीजिएगा. Between the sea and the hard place, तो लक्षद्वीप के बारे में डिटेल हमने पढ़ा था. So I am not going into detail because everything we have read. I have already told you that on Sunday usually whatever you have read over the previous week is generally coming, so you can understand it on your own from the previous lectures. If you have not understood anything, you can read about this particular lecture. Then there is the new CBI director and Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. So SS Jaiswal earlier was CISF head and now he has been appointed the CBI head. तो इनका टेन्योर पढ़ लीजिएगा, ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग टेन्योर इनका रहा है. He have not worked with the state governments well, and right now he has been appointed because of the rule of law that was set by Mr. N.V. Ramanna with regard to the appointment of two officials who could have been considered for the post of the CBI chief, but they have been bypassed because of the rule in which says that a person who does not have a tenure of more than 6 months shall not be appointed as the head of the CBI. So I hope this is clear. तो पढ़ लीजिएगा. I don't think that I need to explain Lakshadweep and this SARS origin, zero survey and center WhatsApp policy. Although they are important, read these on your own. They are important, they seems important, and definitely there will be certain debate regarding it, that whether you believe in the freedom of speech or privacy and all other issues that are pertaining to the discussion of the tussle between the WhatsApp and the other agency that is present. तो अभी के लिए इतना ही करते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर यहीं से शुरू करेंगे.